Hello, this is Danny Thompson from Danny Thompson Photography. Today's Tip Tuesday is all about the rule of thirds in a picture, which I'll show you in a minute. Hi guys, welcome back. So here you say, what is the rule of thirds and how you can use it. So this is just a portrait, what I've just put up. As you can see, this is the square what I can crop with. So this one in the middle, down the middle, which is very plain. I mean, this is what I need it for, but if you wanted to snazz it up a little bit, as you could call it, if you moved him just into the this box here, well, this little pointer here, if you can just move to the side just a little bit, it just gives it a little bit more of an impact. So if you're doing any selfies for your business, or a little portrait or a story on Instagram or Facebook, it will look a lot better with this, and I'm sure you agree by watching this now. Now on to landscape. So if you're doing anything when you're on holiday or anything like that, these are some great examples for like this bottle here. If you've got a beer, or you're on holiday on the beach or anything like that, or you're into your surfing, or if your little girl or boy's on the beach or anything like that, just pop them into these thirds and make sure they're pointing into the picture as well. Which is what you call the looking space, and as you can agree, they just look a little bit more funkier. Also, you can look at thirds horizontal as well. So you've got your sky, you've got your middle half of it, which is obviously the person who's in the picture, and then you've got a bit of a foreground as well. It just makes you look a lot professional. Now, if you've got any questions or anything like that, please just get in touch with me. I'm more than happy to give you an hand or any more tips you need. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye.